right, and now we're going to look at our PBIS book vending machine winners for October in 4th and 5th grade today. These are students who have shown they are responsible, respectful, and kind throughout the entire month of October. Let's start with Miss Prez's class. Congratulations, Jacob. And Miss Lyle's class, let's see who the winner will be. Congratulations, Everett. Miss Buckalter's class, let's see who the winner will be. Congratulations, Avery. Miss Taylor's class, let's see who the winner will be. Congratulations, Layla. Miss Kelly's class, let's see who the winner will be. Congratulations, Rosalie. And let's see who the winners are for our specials wheel for 4th grade. Congratulations, Liam. Now let's look at our PBIS book vending machine winners for 5th grade. Students who showed that they are respectful, responsible, and kind throughout the month of October. Starting with Miss Coleman's class. Congratulations, Michael. Let's look at Miss Stein's class. Who will be the winner? Congratulations, Connor. Miss King's class. Congratulations, Elijah. Next is Miss Swider's class. Let's see who the winner will be. Congratulations, Elizabeth. And our specials wheel for 5th grade. Let's see who the winner is going to be. Congratulations, Camila.